Hey, 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 Facebook! Happy Wednesday to you. Hopefully, you had a wonderful day. I'm still down and out with my back. I'm going in for an MRI today, so hopefully, we can figure out what's going on. I'm on steroids, so I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm able to up and walk around a little bit more, which is good because I was down on my back for several days and it was rough on me. So, today, first of all, if you're watching live, type live. If you're watching replay, type replay. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to us, watch our channel. It'll notify you when we have updates. I'm supposed to either today or tomorrow get those on there. I'm not sure where my schedule will be. I'm trying to do multiple things here in the office today. But we got a new piece of equipment in today. It's not all completely here. Some of it's still on its way from Connecticut. I ordered this specifically for the new machine we're getting, which I haven't received yet. It's coming January 6th. We should be getting that. That is a pipe coating machine. Basically, that will allow us to go in and coat existing pipes that have deteriorated or started to corrode out. Basically, you get to reuse your pipe that you have in your house. We come in and do a thorough cleaning. We'll take out all the roots. That's what this machine's for. Anything that's coming into your pipe, we'll clean it down, we'll sand it down, make it really nice with this machine, and then we'll bring our coating machine in and coat the pipe with polyurea and basically turn it into a brand new pipe with a 50-year warranty on it, and never have to dig up in the yard. And that's kind of where we're going with this is trenchless system. But this is a new piece of equipment. I just want to kind of show it to you. Several years ago, these machines came out called flex shafts that are mostly made to do smaller clogs. But this company, GI Industries, has kind of gone above and beyond what the norm is on the flex shafts. And they've made this machine for reinstating or redoing pipes, coating pipes, or lining pipes, which they're doing a lot in other places. This is a flex shaft that we've got to do this, and there's a couple reasons I got this. I'll show it to you. Let's flip it around and explain it to you. So basically, this is the machine that we got, and basically the way it works is it's kind of like a sewer machine, but not quite. There's a motor inside here. It's got a 1 horsepower motor. On the side here, I can adjust the speeds based on what I need to in order to get through the clog or whatnot. It's got forward, reverse, and neutral. And the cool thing about this machine compared to other flex shaft machines is the fact that I can hook up a garden hose right here, or I can disconnect this quick connect and hook up air to this and run water or air through the line that I've got connected to it down through the sewer. So any type of debris I'm not